Hello everyone, in this video let's have a look at the PixelExperience Plus ROM for the Poco X3 Pro, and I have to say this is one of the best ROMs that I have used on this particular phone. Let me show you why. So first of all, let's have a look at the launcher here. Do note that this ROM comes inbuilt with the Google apps and it also has the Pixel launcher as you can see here, and here are the wallpaper and style options. On Google Photos app, you do get the option of unlimited storage backup. This is the customization options that you can find here. So here's the wildlife score. This is 3470 and this is really good because it is beating out 75% of the scores for other Poco X3 Pro users. And here is the Geekbench score. It is single core is 743 and multi-core score is 2294. And you can watch my other videos to compare scores with other ROMs. And here are the system settings. Here you'll find some extra options over the normal PixelExperience ROM. Here you have quick tap options. You can tap on the back of the phone and they work really well. And you have quickly open camera, you have system navigation gesture options, and you can hide the gesture indicator at the bottom. You can also enable long swipe actions if you want, and you can change the sensitivity as well as the height of the back gesture. So that is pretty awesome. You can also have 2-button or 3-button navigation and make that compact or invert the layout. And you have one-handed mode present as well, and you can just swipe down from the bottom to access it like this, and you can also enable a one-handed mode accessibility button if you want. And you have swipe to screenshot option here. By using 3 fingers you can swipe to screenshot, and here is advanced restart that you can enable, and you can also customize what stuff is shown up in the settings of that menu. And you have hold for assistant option as well. And let's go back. Here you can customize other stuff like you have end call, long press for torch, wake device answer call, keyboard cursor control, reorient partial screenshot, that kind of stuff. And on the status bar options you also get network traffic monitor, which is really good to have. This feature is not present on the stock PixelExperience. And you have double tap to sleep. You can change the clock position, but it cannot be changed because traffic indicator is being shown. That is quite weird. There's no such limitation on other ROMs, but whatever. And you can also further customize the battery icon and where the percentage is shown. You have brightness control, auto brightness and brightness slider as well. And you can enable quick pull down, so it will basically jump right to the quick settings if you swipe down from the right, and go to the notifications if you swipe down from the left. And now let's go into the display section. Here you'll find certain other stuff, and you have lock screen options, and this ROM also comes with face unlock option and it works really well. You have display media cover art, you have ambient display options. As you can see here, there are certain options like these, and where pocket is to wake. And let's go back, and you have dark theme which can be enabled or disabled from here, and you can also schedule it if you want. And you have display size option, you have night light feature, and you can also schedule it and change the intensity if you want. And you can customize how the colors look, boosted, saturated or natural. And you can customize the minimum and maximum refresh rate here, and I keep it to 120Hz. You have double tap to wake, double tap to sleep, those kind of options. And overall this ROM has been really good for me. The battery life is great. I'm getting around 6 to 7 hours of screen time, which is really good for my heavy use. And apart from that, the performance is very smooth. And the great thing about this ROM is that I haven't really faced any weird issues or stutters that you might generally expect from a custom ROM, and it works really well. So if you love Google apps and the PixelExperience, I would definitely recommend this ROM to you. And the only person who shouldn't use this ROM is someone who hates Google apps. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos.